Hello, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Creative Mary here. And so guys, I just woke up from sleep. I didn't have any data to do my YouTube channel videos. I didn't have data to upload anything. So I decided to use one of the cheat codes I've been sharing here on my channel. So I decided to use Airtel to subscribe. And guys, I got it, okay? How cool is that? So that's why I am here in today's video to share this particular cheat codes from Airtel and MTN. Okay, so if this is a video you like to watch, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment on it, and of course share this video so that YouTube will push this video out to other small YouTubers or other YouTubers who do not know about this cheap data codes from MTN and Airtel. Without further ado, let's dive right into it. So we are starting with Airtel, okay? So you dial star 312 star 1 hash, star 312 star 1 hash. So yeah, the first one, you're using 100 naira to get 500 MB and it's going to be lasting for 1 day. And the second one, you're getting 1.25 gig. 1.25 gig for 200 naira, and this is going to be valid for 2 days. Then the third one, you're getting 2 gig for 300 naira and it's going to be valid for 2 days. The fourth one here, you're getting 3.2 gig for 500 naira and it's going to be valid for 3 days. And then the fifth one, 4 gig for 600 naira and it's going to be valid for 3 days. And then the sixth one, you're getting 5 gig for 800 naira and it's going to be valid for 3 days. So this option, you have only 6 options for you to choose from. As you can see, it's very cheap. Let me subscribe to number 2. Okay, send. It has been activated. I just used 200 naira to get 1.25 gig. As you can see, it has been activated successfully. So the second code is star 312 star 6 hash. So yeah, you're using 750 naira to get 2 gig plus another 2 gig, and it's going to be valid for 2 days. Okay, so if you're good with this particular plan, you can just dial number 1 and then you buy it. Okay, so let's move on to MTN network. So the first code we are going to be dialing in this MTN network is star 121 hash, star 121 hash. And then you dial number 4, smart data. You dial number 1, we're going with 1 day offer. So yeah, you're using 300 naira to get 1.5 gig. You know that MTN normally sell their 1 gig for 800 naira, but this one is cheap. This code is cheap for you to get this 1.5 gig for just 300 naira. So this plan is very good for you. If you're cool with it, you can go with it. All right, so let's move on to the second code for the MTN network. So dial star 121 hash. Then we are going with number 1, top deal for me. Okay. So yeah, you're going to be enjoying 18.75 gig for just 5,500 naira. Like I said, your own top deal options might be different from mine, okay, because we're using different phones, okay, and depending how your SIM card has lasted as you're using MTN, okay. So these are the cheap code you can get from Airtel and MTN. Hope this video was helpful to you. Please kindly subscribe, like this video, comment on it, and share this video so that this video can get to other people who do not know about this cheap data codes from Airtel and MTN. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.